Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can write a blog on Shopify. To create a blog or write a blog on Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify store, navigate to the online store section, and click on Blog Post. Then click the Create Blog Post button to start a new post. Provide a title for your blog post and upload a relevant image. You can either manually write your content or you can use AI tools like Jasper to generate it. Format your text with headings, paragraphs, and bold text as needed, and include a short summary or excerpt for SEO purposes. To optimize for search engines, fill out the search engine listing preview with a title and description, and select appropriate categories and tags for your post. Before publishing, review your post for any errors or omissions. Click the Save button to publish your blog post. For additional tips, use high quality images to enhance your post appeal. Optimize with relevant keywords and meta descriptions, and promote your blog posts on social media and other platforms. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.